The 2025 Yamaha RD500 is a modern resurrection of a legend that once ruled the streets and tracks alike. Revered by two-stroke enthusiasts and racing purists, the original RD500LC captured hearts with its brutal power delivery and Grand Prix DNA. Now, Yamaha has brought it back with a vengeance, paying tribute to its roots while embracing modern technology in every detail. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement. A declaration that raw, two-stroke exhilaration still has a place in an increasingly refined and sanitized motorcycle world. And what Yamaha has done in 2025 is more than just pay homage. They've reimagined the Road 500 for a new generation of speed addicts and nostalgic racers. At the heart of the new Road 500 lies a 500cc V4 two-stroke engine, engineered with advanced materials and electronic precision to overcome emissions challenges and bring back the punchy character that made the original so legendary. Yamaha has employed electronically controlled direct fuel injection, twin power valves per cylinder, and a lightweight forged crankshaft setup that gives this bike an immediate, explosive throttle response without compromising reliability or environmental compliance. While it retains the shrieking soul of a true two-stroke, the modern RD500 is far cleaner, smoother, and more efficient, making it street legal in most major markets while still delivering a pure, unfiltered ride experience that's all but extinct in today's market. The chassis is a symphony of weight savings and rigidity. Crafted from aluminum and carbon fiber composites, the twin spar frame is designed to handle the V4's aggressive power while maintaining flickable agility. The swing arm is a work of art in itself, sourced from Yamaha's MotoGP division, providing increased traction under acceleration and optimal flex under stress. At just under 400 pounds wet, the Road 500's power-to-weight ratio is staggering, and every ounce has been strategically distributed to optimize balance and control. It feels like a racer, because in essence, it is one. The suspension setup is equally impressive, with Öhlins electronically adjustable forks up front and a fully adjustable mono shock at the rear. The Road 500 reads the road, track, or city street and adjusts accordingly. Whether you're carving through a canyon or hammering down a straightaway, the bike remains composed, responsive, and utterly thrilling. Brembo radial-mounted calipers and carbon ceramic discs provide fade-free braking performance, giving the rider immense confidence to push the bike to its limits. In terms of electronics, the 2025 RD500 strikes a balance between analog purity and digital sophistication. A minimalist TFT dash provides critical ride data, gear position, and customizable ride modes, including Sport, Race, and Track Pro. Each mode adjusts throttle mapping, traction control sensitivity, and power valve actuation to suit different riding scenarios. Yamaha has even integrated a lightweight 6-axis IMU for cornering abs and slide control, ensuring the bike's wild character doesn't become uncontrollable chaos. Yet, unlike many modern sport bikes, the electronic aids can be dialed back or turned off entirely, letting riders experience that raw, mechanical connection that defined the golden age of two strokes. Design-wise, Yamaha has knocked it out of the park. The Road 500 looks like a time machine from the 1980s, its retro styling cues paying direct tribute to the factory GP bikes of the Kenny Roberts era. Twin round headlights, a sculpted fairing with racing stripes, and underseat exhausts bring that unmistakable old-school racer aesthetic back to life. But look closer and you'll see aerodynamic winglets, LED lighting, and carbon fiber detailing throughout, subtle but powerful indicators that this machine belongs in the modern era. The paint schemes are nostalgic masterpieces too, offering options like Speed Block Yellow, Marlboro-inspired red and white, and even a stealth matte black edition for the more understated rider. Riding the RD500 is an emotional experience. The sound alone, a high-pitched symphony of combustion and precision, echoes the spirit of classic GP machines. Twist the throttle and you feel the bike surge forward with ferocity. There's a distinct edge to the power delivery, but it's refined in just the right ways. It demands skill but rewards you with a connection to the road that's become rare in today's riding world. It's not just about speed, it's about how it gets there, and how alive it makes you feel along the way. For those who lived through the two-stroke heyday, the RD500 is a dream reborn. For younger riders who've only heard legends of the smoky, screaming beasts of the past, this is a golden opportunity to experience the real thing, rebuilt with precision and care for today's roads. Yamaha hasn't just reissued a bike. They've rekindled a movement, a rebellion against conformity, a symbol of what motorcycles used to be, and in the right hands, still can be. While production will be limited, Yamaha has ensured the 2025 RD500 won't be an unreachable unicorn. Yes, it's a premium offering, but it's built for riders, not just collectors. Yamaha is also offering a track-only version, tuned even further for competition use, stripped of emissions gear and fitted with race-spec internals, AQ mapping, and upgraded cooling systems. It's an absolute weapon, and early tests suggest it's capable of lapping circuits with performance on par with middleweight supersports, despite its half-liter displacement. The aftermarket is already responding with excitement. Custom fairing kits, high-performance exhausts, and tuning packages are emerging rapidly. Enthusiast forums are buzzing, and the retro racer community is welcoming the RD500 back like a long-lost brother. Yamaha's decision to reintroduce a two-stroke icon in the era of electric bikes and emission regulations is not only bold, it's deeply appreciated by riders who value character over conformity. The 2025 RD500 isn't for everyone. It's loud, unapologetic, and demands attention. It's a rebel in a time of silence, a mechanical scream in an age of electric hums. But for those who get it, for those who remember what motorcycles are really about, it's everything they've been waiting for. Yamaha has delivered a masterpiece that doesn't just honor its past but proves it still has a future. And with the RD500 back in the saddle, the streets may never sound the same again.